Oh yeah, don't f***ing mind me, you file. Yeah, f***ing knobhead.
Yeah, clever, aren't you? Yeah, oh yeah, well done. Another one. Nearly hit a traffic island. Beautiful, beautiful, folks. He's only gone and done it again, hasn't he? But oh, beautiful! Use the right only lane, lads. Use it. Learner plates. I wish I should do some kind of collaboration with some kind of motorbike training centre. Send them some vouchers. Discount code is dickhead01. Enjoy. What a knobhead!
What was the point of that?
He did, yeah.
That's a great video to send into
Yes.
Robin Hood.
Look, he's going to try. Now that is. He was going to try and overtake there.
Yeah, we're going to try and overtake the man.
Oh my.
Go on, go on. Whee. Well done.
Wow, what the f was that?
Fucking hell.
What just happened?
Red car in reverse into those women.
When he was, you know, friends with John Lennon, Yoko Ono, those sort of people. Yeah. It's just such a wild tale. So really so much of current day culture.
You're going to want to come behind me again, mister. You can't turn right there. You got the message.
I mean, it's double yellow, double white, sure.
Skip trips to the grocery store and count on HelloFresh to make home cooking easy. fun, and affordable. That's why it's America's #1 meal kit. This got places to be, you've got haunted houses to prepare for, zombies to make. Standing in a checkout line is not one of the...
Oh dear.
Oh dear, someone's gone in the back of somebody.
Smashy smashy.
That bit looks a bit dented, doesn't it?
Oh no.
It was a bit unnecessary.
Over the packages to his cousin, and he told her to ship these out. But there were certain rules that he told her to follow.
Each post office, at a maximum, would have 3 packages going out.
Yeah, but he did, you know, he was a bit fussy about his food. There's a story, and this is right at the end of his days, so he did die very young of tuberculosis.
Tip of the hat to Randy Meisner's Planet Rock, and we're heading towards not too far away. I'll tell you what you can expect from that.
Never heard of it before.
442 school one. You deserve to die, you wanker.
Yeah.
Forgot about that.
That was a red light run if I ever saw one. I'm going to save my pudding pantry.
Red light!
There is absolutely nothing you realistically like,
Jesus.
except yourself.
Are they stealing carpets from someone's front garden?
Looks like it.
Yeah, they are. They're nicking carpets from
It is in a skip.
Oh, it's skip? That person's old front garden's a skip. They just got themselves some free carpet.
There's quite a lot. I think there's quite a lot of badgers there, isn't there?
Beautiful managers Pep Guardiola and Mikel again in the Community Shield. Man City. In the early hours of this morning. The police say they tried to calm the dog down.
Yeah, on the gate, isn't it?
Yeah, survive. This guy's got no shoes on. Seriously, he's pedaling his bike with no shoes on. The barefoot rider.